Welcome to the series of Oracle Fusion Fixed Asset demonstration. In this video we will see how to add assets from Payables module through purchase order matched invoices, and without PO matched invoices. Let us create an invoice. This is an invoice page. We are entering invoice details through purchase order number, which we have created earlier. As soon as I enter the purchase order number and click Tab button, supplier name, supplier site and business unit are defaulted from the purchase order. Enter the invoice number of supplier invoice, the amount of invoice, and the description. The date of invoice and payment terms to be entered. Once we enter the header invoice information, go to the lines and match the lines. Because against this particular invoice, I have PO receipt. Click on Match Invoice Lines, and the eligible invoices against PO which are ready to match are displayed. Select the line and click on OK button. After matching, system has defaulted the amount and the description from the purchase order in lines. Click on the Validate Invoice button. Confirmation for the same will get pop-up via unique number. Then, we post invoice to General Ledger. Let us create one more invoice without purchase order matching. This is the invoice page. I do not have purchase order, so I will keep the purchase order field blank. Enter the invoice number and invoice amount. Enter the supplier name. Enter the description as per need. Go to Distribution. You can create the distribution set for and select it. Validate the invoice and post the same to the General Ledger and close the invoice page. Once we have created the invoices and posted them to General Ledger, they will be available to be added in my Fixed Assets module after running process called Create Mass Additions. This program will transfer all the eligible asset invoices to the Fixed Asset module. Enter the parameters for the same and then click on Submit button. By doing filtering and keeping payables as source, it will reflect the additions which we made. All the details can be seen here which we enter earlier. Select the asset, click on Edit to enter missing information. Select the category. By entering category system, we'll take depreciation expense account. Defaults, we can enter the location where this asset is actually located. Change the status from new to post, save and close. We are posting second asset. Select the asset, and click on Add to Asset button. Enter the asset in which you want to add this asset item, select it, and can see the preview by clicking on Preview, Add to Asset button. Two lines are there. First is of earlier one asset, and second is of this asset. Click on Add to Asset button. Now, two assets are ready to post, so let us post these additions by clicking on Post All button, and additions are confirmed by the system, via pop-up message. Now, you are able to do Add to Asset and Addition to Asset through Payable. Thank you very much for watching this video.